At a recent interaction with members of the Shillong press fraternity, the president of the United Democratic Party Youth Wing, Kyrmen Shylla, had confidently stated that the party will work towards a majority in the upcoming elections of 2023. However, he expressed his desire for all regional parties in the state to unite together and work towards the good of the people. Shylla further added that at present, the UDP, which has not sought any pre-poll alliance, is all set to field candidates in more than 30 constituencies in the General Assembly elections of 2023.
Rengangi skem ngamdo jingkermen baki paiba no shonshnon jingker step bi jongi kin shania hi thrai kin dangdoni ki jing shania baki will contest as much as more than 30 katanga not bandong, but how many as of now I'm not marki don ki bantaro lani ki constituency bengim don candidate they bon ki check up so more than 30 plus do kanno ngam panot ban declare nta nomor 100 tarik min se declare no yaki first batch jong ki candidate yamanta hing rangya I tang magi handrengi kapat hi nalian jonga my personal kani gamde nalian jong party nga kapat hi borok ki regional party bikin don kata gijing seu tho gijing idri ban kuno ban sekri yaki paiba jong state jongi andai min don ru kata gijing seu tho ndala poi ko pot ni formi ko government kwa hi yakini ki regional party jongi bikin ni don lang nomor in the end ni don la ka jong ideology handai ka bahak mata me ke ban sekri yo paiba no shonshnon jong state